Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mini hovercraft out of just a few things you may have around your house. Here's a list of materials that you will need. First, you will need to get your pop-up water bottle cap. I used a hacksaw to cut it off an old water bottle. Have a parent do this for you. Next, under adult supervision, use the hot glue gun to glue the water bottle cap to the CD. Make sure you do it right above the hole in the CD, and make sure you hot glue it all the way around to make sure no air will escape from the bottom of your hovercraft. Next, take your strip of paper and make a loop out of it. You can use glue or tape to make the loop. Now take a balloon and blow it up. Twist the end of the balloon for the meantime so that no air escapes, and put the end of the balloon through the paper loop you just created. Finally, attach the lip of the balloon to the hovercraft water bottle cap. Put a piece of tape under the CD and use tack to make a couple holes in it, so not too much air escapes. Unwind the balloon to use your hovercraft. It simply glides along any flat surface. The reason the hovercraft works is that the balloon creates a thin air cushion under the CD. That means there's less friction between the CD and the surface, allowing it to glide easily. That's the same way that larger hovercrafts work as well. Feel free to experiment, and thanks for watching.